Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, copy. This is my copy. This is my copy. Second, eat. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. 3. Sleep. She sleeps peacefully. She sleeps peacefully. 4th, sun. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. 5th, morning. She runs every morning. She runs every morning. 6th, sing. Birds sing sweetly. Birds sing sweetly. 7th, love. I love chocolate ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream. 8th, late. They arrived late for the party. They arrived late for the party. 9th, book. This is my book. 10th, read. She reads books every night. She reads book every night. 11th, come. My parents are coming tomorrow. 12, today. It is very cold today. 13, flower. The flower smell wonderful. The flower smell wonderful. 14, teach. She teaches mathematics. She teaches mathematics. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.